Good morning, sir. Welcome to the airport.
Hello, my name is Kai. I am here to check in.
Nice to meet you, Kai. Where are you flying today?
I am flying to New York. It is a long trip.
New York is a great city. May I see your passport?
Yes, of course. Here is my passport and my visa.
Thank you very much. I am checking your booking now.
Is the flight on time? I hope there is no delay.
Yes, the flight is on time. It is perfectly on schedule.
That is great news. I am very happy today.
Your passport is fine. Your documents are all correct.
Perfect. I am ready for my big adventure.
Are you traveling alone, or is your family here?
I am traveling alone. My family is at home.
I see. Do you travel often to New York?
No, it is my first time. I am very excited.
You will love it there. The city never sleeps.
I want to see the statues. I want to eat pizza.
The food is delicious. You will have a great time.
I like your uniform, Anna. It is very professional.
Thank you, Kai. It is a new blue uniform.
The airport is very busy. There are many people.
Yes, it is a big day. Many people are traveling.
I see many planes outside. They are very large.
Our planes are very safe. You are in good hands.
That makes me feel better. I am a bit nervous.
Don't be nervous. It is a very smooth flight.
Thank you, Anna. You are very kind to me.
It is my pleasure. Let's talk about your bags.
Okay, I have one big suitcase.
Please place your suitcase here. Put it on the scale.
Okay, I am doing it. Is it too heavy?
Let me check the screen. It is 20 kilograms.
Is 20 kilograms okay? I have many books inside.
Yes, it is perfect. The limit is 23 kilograms.
Oh good, I was worried about the weight.
You have 3 kilograms left. You are very lucky.
I also have a backpack. Do I weigh it too?
No, that is your carry-on. You can keep it.
Great. My laptop is inside. My camera is there too.
Be careful with your laptop. Keep it with you.
I will. I have my glasses in there too.
Your glasses are very nice. They look very stylish.
Thank you. They are Ray-Bans. I like them.
They match your green shirt. It is a bright color.
Thank you. It is my favorite green shirt.
It makes you look positive. You look very approachable.
I am an English teacher. I must look friendly.
That is a great job. Teachers are very important.
I love to teach. I love to help people.
I am putting a tag. This is for your suitcase.
Where does the suitcase go? Is it on the belt?
Yes, it goes to the plane. It is safe there.
Will I see it in New York or in London?
You will see it in New York. It is direct.
That is very easy. I like this system.
Our airport is modern. Everything is very fast.
I can see that. You are very efficient, Anna.
Thank you, Kai. Now let's choose a seat.
I am ready. I like window seats.
Look at this screen. These are the available seats.
I see many blue squares. What do they mean?
Blue squares are empty seats. You can choose one.
I want a window seat. I love the view.
We have seat 15A. It is near the window.
Is it near the exit? I like extra space.
No, it is in the middle, but it is comfortable.
That is fine. I will take seat 15A.
Perfect. I am locking the seat for you.
Is the plane full today? Are there many people?
Yes, it is almost full. People love New York.
I hope my neighbor is nice. I like to talk.
I'm sure they are. Most travelers are friendly.
Can I change my seat later? Is that possible?
You can ask on the plane. The crew can help.
Okay, I understand. I will stay in 15A.
Do you need a special meal? We have many options.
No, I eat everything. I am not a picky eater.
That is good. We have chicken or pasta today.
I like pasta. It is my favorite food.
Our pasta is very good. It has tomato sauce.
Sounds delicious. I am getting hungry now.
You can eat soon. The flight has good food.
I see the map now. The flight is long.
It is 8 hours. You can watch many movies.
I love movies. I will watch 3 movies.
That is a good plan. Time will fly.
I hope so. I am ready to go.
I am printing the pass. It is almost ready.
Thank you, Anna. You are very helpful.
Here is your boarding pass. Please keep it safe.
Thank you. It has all my information.
Look at the top. Your gate is B24.
Gate B24. I will remember that number.
Your boarding time is 10. Please be there early.
I will be there. I am never late.
That is a good habit. Punctual people are great.
Here is your pen back. I am finished signing.
Thank you, Kai. Here is your passport, too.
My passport is inside. My ticket is inside.
Put them in your pocket. Do not lose them.
I am putting them here. They are very safe.
Do you have your phone? Do not forget it.
Yes, it is in my hand. I am ready.
You look very organized. You are a good traveler.
I try my best. I have a list.
Lists are very useful. I use them every day.
Me too. I have a list for New York.
What is number 1? What is the first thing?
Number 1 is the hotel. I must go there.
That is a good choice. Take a yellow taxi.
A yellow taxi? Like in the movies?
Yes, exactly like that. They are very famous.
I am very excited. I want a photo.
You will take many photos. Your camera is good.
Yes, it is new. It takes beautiful pictures.
Now you must go. The gate is open.
Okay, thank you for the pass, Anna.
You are very welcome. Have a safe flight.
Thank you. See you next time.
Anna, wait. Which way is gate B24?
Oh, sorry. Go straight down this hall.
Straight down? I see a big clock.
Yes, go past the clock, then turn right.
Turn right at the clock. Is it far?
It is a 10-minute walk. It is not far.
10 minutes is fine. I like to walk.
You will see a sign. It says Gate B.
I see the signs now. They're very big.
Follow the yellow arrows. They lead to B24.
Are there any shops? I want some water.
Yes, there are many shops. You will see them.
Can I buy water there or on the plane?
Buy it at the shop. It is much cheaper.
Good idea. I will buy a big bottle.
Make sure it is sealed. Security is very strict.
Oh, I forgot security. Is it near here?
Yes, it is very close. It is behind you.
I see it now. There is a line.
The line is moving fast. Don't worry, Kai.
Should I go there now? Is it time?
Yes, go now. It is better to wait there.
Thank you, Anna. You are a great guide.
I want you to be safe. I want you happy.
I am very happy. You made it easy.
That is my job. I love helping people.
You are very good at it. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Kai. Enjoy your walk to the gate.
I will. I am going now.
Goodbye. See you again soon.
Kai, one more thing about the security check.
Yes? What should I know? I am listening.
Take out your laptop. Put it in a tray.
My laptop? Okay, I will do that.
Put your phone there too. Put your keys there.
My keys are in my pocket. I have them.
Take off your belt. It has metal on it.
My belt? Okay. What about my shoes?
You can keep your shoes. They are fine today.
Should I take off my glasses? They are metal.
No, keep your glasses. You need to see.
Yes, you are right. I need to see.
Do you have any liquids, like shampoo or water?
No, my bottle is empty. I have no liquids.
That is perfect. You will pass very fast.
Is the machine loud? Does it make noise?
No, it is very quiet. Just walk through it.
I hope I am okay. I have no metal.
You will be fine. You are a good man.
Thank you, Anna. I am a bit nervous.
Everyone is nervous at security. It is very normal.
I see the officers. They look very serious.
They are just doing work. They are very nice.
I will smile at them. Smiles are good.
Yes, a smile helps a lot. It makes friends.
You are my first friend today. Thank you, Anna.
You are very welcome, Kai. You are nice.
Now I am ready. I am going to security.
Kai, do you want gifts? We have many shops.
Yes, I want chocolate. My sister loves chocolate.
We have a big shop. It is called Duty Free.
Where is it? Is it near my gate?
Yes, it is next to B24. It is huge.
Do they have British tea? I want some.
They have the best tea. It is very famous.
I will buy 2 boxes, one for my friend.
That is a kind idea. Friends love tea.
Are the prices good? Is it very expensive?
No, it is tax-free. The prices are very good.
Perfect. I will buy a book too.
Do you like stories or do you like facts?
I like stories. I like adventure books.
We have many of those. They are near the tea.
I will look for them. I have time.
You have 1 hour. That is a lot of time.
Can I pay with a card or with cash?
You can use your card. It is very easy.
Good. I do not have many pounds.
Most shops take cards. Do not worry about it.
I am very excited now. Shopping is fun.
Don't spend all your money. Save some for New York.
You are right, Anna. I will be careful.
New York is very expensive. Be a smart traveler.
I am a smart teacher. I will be careful.
I believe you, Kai. You are very wise.
Thank you, Anna. I'm going to the shops.
Enjoy your shopping. See you soon.
It is time to go, Kai. Have a safe flight.
Thank you for everything. You are the best.
I am happy to help. It was a pleasure.
London is a great city. I will come back.
We will wait for you. Have fun in America.
I will take many photos. I will show you.
I want to see them. Send me a postcard.
That is a great idea. I will send one.
Write it in English. It is good practice.
Yes, Teacher Anna. I will do it.
You are a funny man. I like your energy.
Thank you. Energy is important for learning.
Now, look at the camera. Say goodbye to friends.
Goodbye, everyone. I am going to New York.
Goodbye, students. Repeat the phrases today.
Repeat after me. Where is my gate? Very good. Now say, here is my passport. You're doing great. Learning English is easy.
I am waving now. The plane is waiting.
I am waving back. I am very happy.
The sun is shining. It is a beautiful day.
Yes, it is perfect. The sky is very blue.
Have a great sleep on the plane.
I will. I have my neck pillow.
You are very prepared. You have everything.
Yes, thanks to you, Anna. You helped me.
Goodbye, Kai. Have a safe journey.
Goodbye, Anna. Take care of yourself.